The Tom Clancy's Division 2 is getting error code Mike-01. There are some really important updates regarding the Tom Clancy's Division, and today in this video we'll be going to cover all the details right from the Twitter official page. So let's get right into it. So Division 2 has got the latest update. They'll be dropping out the latest update into the game. But what's really going on? Why the servers are down? Here you can see, guys, as of right now, the server status, here you can see this is the latest status. There is a major outage going on onto the PS4, Xbox and PC as well. Division 2 is not working, and that's pretty apparent onto the Twitter. Here you can see Division 2 not working. Servers on backup, Division 2 not working. Many people reporting it, guys. Now let me show you all the latest details. Alright guys, so this is the Tom Clancy's Division 2. So as of yesterday, December 4th, they'll be going to do the title update 19.3, and they'll be taking the Division 2 servers down for scheduled maintenance. They have already pre-notified us on Tuesday, December 5th at 9:30 a.m. CET and 3:30 a.m. Eastern Time, also 12:30 a.m. Pacific Time. The estimated downtime is about 3 hours. But check this out, guys. We have already elapsed the estimated downtime. Already 3 hours has been elapsed. So what's really going on? People are kind of worried, like when the servers will be back up and running. And then right after that, guys, here you can see 5 hours ago, the maintenance has been extended by an additional hour. Oh my goodness. Maintenance not going by plan. Then 3 hours ago, maintenance has been extended due to unexpected issue. Our team is actively working on this issue as soon as possible. And they'll be going to update you onto the progress. Then right after that, guys, see 13 minutes ago, this is the latest update. Our team is making progress and resolving ongoing issue. Unfortunately, we do not have any estimated time ETA for now. We'll keep you informed. We appreciate your patience. And right after that, there's no recent update. So well, what does Ubisoft support has to say? They are aware of issue affecting connectivity of Division 2. They are working towards resolving it. That's the latest update, guys, right from the Ubisoft support as well. They have extended the maintenance schedule, so that's for sure. Maintenance is not going by the schedule. There are some unexpected parameters right over here. Talking about the latest update, guys, definitely the Mike-01 error is due to the server connectivity. So if you are getting the Mike-01 error, don't worry, they are working towards fixing the issue.